Hello, my name is Love Oladele. I'm popularly called the Queen of Internet Business. Wow, today I'm here with good news. And the good news is I want to share with you about the best LMM company in Nigeria in 2023. Can you guess? Guess. Okay. The best MLM in Nigeria in 2023 is LiveGood. LiveGood. Do you like that name? I love the name. However, I'm not just here to tell you about how much I love the name. So I will be telling you why I think it's the best MLM company in 2023. LiveGood is a product company. They actually sell products. They sell health supplements. And LiveGood uses membership. So to be a member of LiveGood is $9.95 every month. So I would just say $10 every month. But for you to keep making money in the system, you want to do a $40 registration as an affiliate, which is a one-time payment. That's $40. Afterwards, you pay your $10 every month. What we did is to pay for 1 year. So that's $140. So you pay $140. So is that the reason why I said it's the best MLM company in the whole world? No. So listen to why it is the best MLM company in 2023. In LiveGood, you do not have to sell products. Personally, I do not like to do MLM product company because I'm being forced to sell product I don't want to sell. So personally, I do not like to sell product. I'm a trainer. I sell my books. I sell my training on my other channel, TLI Skills. On my other YouTube channel, TLI Skills, you see me talking as a professional, well, as a course creator, as the expert that sell courses. But when I'm on my channel, on my personal channel, I want the freedom. So that's why I talk about all my other online hustles. So on Love Oladele is where I share my other online hustles. And LiveGood happened to be one of my online hustles. And you'll find out that sometimes these online hustles even pay you more than your main hustle. that's online business for you. Sometimes the thing you call hustle sell more than the main hustle. Anyway, so why am I saying LiveGood is the best in 2023? We do not sell products here. What we do basically is you join your membership club and buy at 75% discounted rate. It's far more affordable than the product of other companies. Of course, I want to be healthy. I love to take organic things. I will always be taking organic things. But when you want to join other products, you're thinking of who do I want to go and sell to. In LiveGood, nobody is asking you to sell. As a matter of fact, you do not have to use LiveGood products as a member. Maintain your membership fee of $10 every month. In LiveGood, we have 3 different types of people. We have the ones that we join and they just want to use the products. We have people that we join and they just want to be members. They don't even want to ever touch product. They will tell you, I'm not even sick. I'm here for money. You're welcome in LiveGood. And we have those like me that want to use the product and also share with others. Share LiveGood. Tell others about LiveGood. Connect others to become members of LiveGood. And you're making your money. So you see, there's no compulsion. There's no like you have to buy product every month. We don't have that in LiveGood. No, another reason I say LiveGood is the best MLM in 2023 is that there's no balancing of legs. You don't have your left leg have to. For instance, I had a friend once who told me, "Lo, I want to join this business." I said, I don't like to talk about products. I don't even want to. And she said to me, don't worry, I'll build your leg for you. Okay, building my leg for me. When I saw my account, maybe about 6 months after, of course, indeed, she built the leg, but she has done only one side. So she said, okay, I have built one side for you. Just be mashing. Just be mashing. In LiveGood, there's nothing like mashing. So if I choose to build your leg for you, all you need to do is when people you enjoy, all the spillovers that you get from me, you will get paid. So once you see spillovers from me, let's say your upline is very active and you get spillovers from your upline, whether it's only one spillover you get paid. If you have 2, if you have 5, you have 10, you have 20, you get paid every month. As far as the owners of those accounts are active, you're getting paid. So it's not like, oh, I'm going to build for you. You promise somebody you're going to build and you're building only one leg. And when the person comes, say, okay, just be mashing. Be mashing. there's nothing like matching. We don't need that in LiveGood, where you say, okay, you need to build the other leg. So there is no building of any other leg. You just start your business, and as many persons that fall under you, we are not balancing any leg in LiveGood. So I love that for LiveGood. Wow. Another reason why LiveGood is the best MLM business in 2023 is that you do not have to pay for what you do not need. Other MLM company will tell you, for you to make more money, you need to do higher package. Tell me how much is the higher package? Higher package is going to, if you are in Nigeria, it's going to 500,000, it's going to 1 million, nothing less than 500,000 naira for those of us in Nigeria. And for those who are not in Nigeria, 500,000 naira right now is about $700. That's the least you will put in to be able to get to earn to the highest rank. But in LiveGood, all you ever need to pay is your $50 and your $10 every month, and you can earn to the highest rank. And you can even climb to the highest rank in 1 month. We've seen people doing it in 2 days, in 3 days. So LiveGood does not force you to go and borrow money, to go and steal money, to go and bring your retirement benefits. I had a friend that did that. She got a retirement benefit like about 2 million naira. You know, that's about $2,800, and she put everything in one product company that they promised her. You're going to be a stockist, you're going to be, and everything expired in her house. So because of that, she never ever want to hear about product company, because that thing, really hurt her. It really destabilized her. But in LiveGood, nobody is telling you to do this. We are telling you become a member with $10 every month. $40 that you're paying is just a one-time payment for you, so that you can earn in the system. Then you pay $10 every month, and you can continue to pay every month. We see people who are paying every month. They say, oh, I'm more comfortable paying every month. That's fine with us in LiveGood. And if you want to pay for 1 year, that's also fine with us in LiveGood. And with your $10 every month, if you get to connect other members to join LiveGood, to tell them about this amazing health club. Look at what we are doing in our team. We are doing the 100 days challenge walk. So what we do every morning, we wake up and go walk. And while you're walking, you're just enjoying yourself, telling others, and taking the product. I love LiveGood because I'm taking both the product, and I'm also connecting people to become members of LiveGood and make money. I am not being forced to buy any product. I am not being told to go and look for huge amount of money, come and do a business before I make good money, they will tell you before your BV can do this before. No, come on. We don't have those stories in LiveGood. So another reason why LiveGood is the best MLM business in this 21st century, in fact, in 2023, is that we get paid promptly. Oh man, I love the payment in LiveGood. We get paid every Thursday for those who are connecting. If you're connecting people, we get paid every Thursday. Then for our matrix bonus and matching bonus, we get paid every month. Now, I just spoke about matching bonus. Remember, I said you're not being paid to go and match. What is matching bonus in LiveGood? LiveGood says anybody you connect to the system. If this person is making matrix bonus is everybody that falls in your tree. Like I said, everybody who falls in your tree, you're getting paid. Those people, as you're being paid the matrix bonus, the person that connected you to LiveGood is being paid half of that amount. So if you bring anybody into LiveGood, as the person is getting matrix bonus, you will be paid half of that money. That's matching bonus for us in LiveGood. You can see how sweet this business is. Very sweet. If you understand LiveGood business, you will stay in LiveGood business and drive the business. I'm driving the business because I have never been so excited about any product company. I have never. But LiveGood product company just excites me. I love the way it's being run. I love the fact that I'm doing my business with fun. When I'm doing my walking challenge, my 100 days challenge, I just love it's a business that's enabling me to do business at ease. So in LiveGood, we do our business at ease. We are not under any pressure that, oh, I want to go and buy product. You buy the product, you put it in your house, the product expires. No, you buy only what you want to use, and if you don't want to use, don't buy. If you know, did you get that? If you don't want to use, don't buy. Another reason we buy, I love LiveGood, is that I have never ever joined any business where they will tell you when you join, you order your product, is being sent to your house. So I do not have to go and look for stockists. There's a business I joined since last year. It was now that, but I had someone who wanted to use one of their products that I had to send someone to go to the stockist to go and get it. I do not like to go to any stockist. I don't want to leave my house. Look, if not that I run an NGO and I decide to have an office to run my NGO, I love my life, my online life. I do not want to leave my house to do anything. So I don't want to leave my house to go to a stockist shop to go and pick products. Hell no. I love the fact that I make my order right from USA and it's sent to Nigeria. Now, when I made my order, fine, it took 1 month. But right now, they're working on international shipping that will make it come to us in 2 weeks or less. So I love the fact that I make my order, I get my order in my house from the comfort of my home. So that's another reason why I love LiveGood. So you're not stressing yourself. I want to drive to somebody, I want to drive to one place, I want to drive to a stocking place. That is not part of what we do in LiveGood. Another reason why I love LiveGood is the way the products are. For me, I do not like to swallow products, so I only take multivitamins. They have multivitamins, but they have so many other products that have what in the multivitamins. They have that in form of product you can mix with water. Now, protein shake, this is one of their products. This is protein shake. So every morning I mix my protein shake in water and take along. So this serves as my water. In the morning when I finish, right now we're doing 100 days work challenge. So in the morning when I finish my 100 days work challenge, LiveGood, I take my organic coffee. So when I came to the office now, this is what I'm taking. I've been in the studio doing this video. So this is very delicious indeed. Very, very delicious. One thing about this product, this protein shake, I will tell you I want to sip. But once I put my mouth, sipping is like almost impossible. It tastes amazing.